Hello, my name is Reese Muhammad, an advisor here at Open Market CRE. It is my pleasure to present the Capital City residential portfolio located in the Sunbelt city of Montgomery, Alabama. Montgomery is well positioned for continued growth, having geographical advantages to other markets. Montgomery enjoys excellent regional proximity to Atlanta, Birmingham, and coastal cities located on the Gulf of Mexico. Montgomery is known for having excellent economic drivers beyond those that come with being the capital city. Hyundai, Alabama State University, Amazon, Meta Data Centers, Alpha Insurance, and Maxwell Gooner Air Force Base are just a few of the major employers present in the city of Montgomery. The Montgomery Chamber of Commerce routinely achieves high praise for supporting and moving forward robust economic policies through their Imagine a Greater Montgomery initiative. This is helping to shape the vision for the city. They drew $1.7 billion in capital investments just last year. The investment opportunity you've inquired about represents 23 single-family homes no further than 5 miles apart, allowing for strategic management opportunities and efficiencies of scale. Pricing for the Capital City residential portfolio is the most aggressive our team has seen in a very long time. The day one cap rate is underwritten at 10.7%. The day one cash on cash return of 16.5%. And the year one total return is an unheard of 20.7% as underwritten. Pricing reflects $87 per square foot, which is well below replacement costs. At $2,750,000, the Capital City residential portfolio is unmatched in the market today and provides a path to invest in a historically low tax state with favorable weather conditions and year-round commerce. Please visit openmarketcre.com or simply reach out to myself or one of my team members to view the offering memorandum. Our team looks forward to walking you through the opportunity in more detail. Thank you and have a blessed day.